How to download Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade game on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to get the Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade game installed on your Android device, whether you are using smartphone or tablet, here's how you do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Once you find this application from Bilibili, tap on Install. Now wait for the application to download on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Just wait on the download process to complete and you'll be able to play the game in no time. Once the download is complete, click on the play button and you're ready to enter the world of Jujutsu Kaisen and enjoy battles, storylines, and characters from the anime universe. Follow through the on-screen instructions and then sign into your Bilibili account with its credentials and you'll be okay to play it. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.